Welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to create PayPal account step by step, easy and quick. Let's do it. So all what you have to do is to go to any navigator or Google Chrome on your phone and search for PayPal. Sorry. Click on it when you find it and click. Here as you see, click on sign up for free. Right now, you choose if you want to create a personal account or business account. For me, I want a personal account. Click continue. Right now, you will write your email. Now I create my email and I will click next. So right now you will write your number and then they will send you a verification code. In the verification code, as you see, click here allow right now and you will wait. And right now here guys, we create a password. For example, for me, I will use this password. Click next right now. Here you will choose your country, your first name, your last name, and if you wanna here the ID type. For example, for me, I will use national ID type. I will just use a random number just to show you guys. Here the birth date, for example, like this. Click right now next, and here your address line. For example, I will just search for something and click here and click agree, create account. And here it's optional, click not now. And here if you want to link your card with your PayPal account, for example, for me I don't want, and it's optional, I will link it later. Click not now, and that's it guys. This is your PayPal account. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.